spicy potatoes first. So I have some Indian spices here with me, some boiled potatoes. Now here they are about 4 big potatoes, boiled and mushed. Then turmeric powder, red chili powder, some Indian spices, we call it as garam masala, finely chopped garlic, mustard seeds, curry leaves, some oil and the salt. In the pan I'm going to add the oil. Add like 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add the mustard seeds. Start to sizzle. Add the curry leaves. The garlic. Turmeric. Spices, salt. Also salt. This is another thing that I'm going to put in. Give it a stir. The potatoes. Potato stuffing is ready here. I had to take out the curry leaves because I don't want them in my dumplings or vadas. And after that I have taken in chunks and made the dumplings or the balls of the spicy potato. We are going to work on the coating part of it. So I took the chickpeas flour. It's called gram flour, which is a half a cup in here. Ideally, a rice flour, like around 1 tablespoon goes in here. I don't have that, so I'm going to add some English all-purpose flour, which we call as maida. Then I'm going to add a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of turmeric powder, haldi, and salt for taste. I'm going to add the water and going to make a paste. So this is the consistency for the coating, and I'm going to keep this aside for 10 minutes. Add a particular seed called ajwain to my batter. Which is now heated up. So to test the oil for any deep fried thing, you can always try the batter testing. So you can try to add the batter and see if it is coming up. If it comes up, that means the oil is good. Now, as I told you, I had the dumplings ready. I'm going to put them in the batter, and I'm going to deep fry them. We keep going till it's not like creamish but a little golden brownish. Yep, this looks good. I'm going to get them off the fire. Then here to soak some oil. And I will finish my remaining ones. the spiced onion dumplings are ready, which is a vada pav, Batata Vada. And I have this the spread powder ready. Please watch my other video where I have taught how to make this powder. So I'm going to add this powder on one of the bread. And I have the imli chutney. It's a little sweeter version of it. It's a dates spread. Right? You can watch my other video for that. And just put that in. Pick it up. And here you go.